All right. Hi, Professor. Good evening. Apologies for the delay. I'm actually in school right now trying to quickly submit this before I leave school. All right, so let's get started. So what I did first and foremost, Professor, was that I watched the videos and I followed the videos step by step. And the first thing I did was to spin up a Postgres instance, which is running here. So I spin up a Postgres instance, is currently running. So I can make direct contacts through I can use pgadmin to be able to access my Postgres. And yeah, you can see I've entered some record into the database. And yeah, so I'm speaking to the database right now. So here's the backend code. Here's my backend code. It's currently running. And yeah, it's currently working. So I created the students first, followed the instruction, and I created a student. The student interface, I created a student service, and I created DTOs for the student. I also followed the same footstep and I created for colleges. Just that in the case of colleges, I used the parameters that you asked me to use in the parameters that you asked me to use. You can see I college service and I use all the parameters. And if you come down to, if we go here to call here, if you go to models, here you can see my entity file, and yeah, follow the same structure. All right, so the backend is currently running, and if I go to my if I go to my Swagger, you can see my Swagger endpoints. If I call it get all endpoints, if I call it get all endpoint, if I execute this, yeah, I get two records for colleges. For college, I get two records for college. However, if you notice, it's in my database has for college. Let me open this. Yeah, my database has three records. That's because one record has been deleted, but it is not a hard delete, it's a soft delete. So yeah, it's a soft delete. So it's showing false. So it's retrieving two records. Yeah, so let me go to the front end and show you what I have done. This is the front end code. This is the front end code. Yes, a quick something I observed when I was for the components here, this part modules. Yeah, I didn't include this anymore because I noticed there is a slight difference between the templates you were using and the one I downloaded. I think the one I downloaded is most updated. So what is basically using is not using, there was no need for me to put these modules here, for me to pass this here and this anymore. So there was no need to put this here. What it basically do is it has a shared module that is passed, a shared module, and this shared module is shared by the components. So you just pass the module, you don't need to pass all the components anymore because they all share the same module. So if I include this, it will give me an error saying that it's already been used in share module, ng module. So I was able to fix that particular issue. And yeah, so basically now my code is running. It's currently running fine. Everything is okay. And let me go to so this is the landing page. Here is the student page. You can see I have two students. I can edit a student. I can create a student. Let me create a student. Let me create another student. Let me create Moses, please. Let me just put this marketing, and let's give it date of birth. Okay, it's active, true. Let's save it. You can see Moses Bliss has been saved. So I can edit, if you go to the database now, If I go to students, view data, yeah, Moses Bliss has been added. I can edit Moses Bliss. Let me edit Moses. Oh, sorry. There's a slight bug here. I've not fixed it. So, but Moses, if I change Moses Bliss to Moses Blizzard and I save, it changes it immediately. And if I go to the database, if I check the database, I refresh this. Let me view data again. Yeah, it is updated, Moses Blizzard. So the same thing also goes for the colleges. I also have colleges. I have 2 colleges now. If I check my college table, query to view, let me check my college table. If I check my college table, I have 3 colleges. That was because I deleted Fleming. So I had a soft delete also for Fleming. You can see it's deleted true. So it's not retrieving it. It's only retrieving the ones that are not deleted. So I can create a new school. I can create, let me say, University of Toronto. I can add address. I can any email. UOT. I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can add it. You see, it is here. So if I check the database now for colleges, review it. Yeah, it's the University of Toronto. So if I delete Conestoga now, if I delete Conestoga, oh no, sorry, if I edit Conestoga, yeah, I can edit Conestoga and say Conest, let me see, Conest, let me change it to Conest. There's a slight bug here, but because of time, okay, so Connest, it changed it to Connest, so I can delete it. If I delete, yes, so it's no longer there. If I check the database now, it's deleted should be set to false. So to be set to true. The deleted is now set to true. All right, so yeah, basically that's what I've been able to do. I apologize again for delaying. Thank you very much, Professor, for your time, and have a blessed evening. Thank you.